welcome back to Pulls Down Under. We're doing another Red Wing box opening. We don't have one box, we have two. Let's not waste any time and let's get stuck straight in. Alright, they're unboxed. You know the dealio. I'm not really gonna mess around. I'm thinking as well, if you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm happy to give away the whole collection, 105 cards, because you do get the whole collection in this pack, in a box. So, I don't need 5 of them, that's for sure. Alright, first one. Detroit Redwings, surprise, surprise. Who's this got? Another auto. Paul Woods. Who is that? Let me know in the comments. I've never heard of this guy ever before. Even the last auto I pulled. Unreal, okay. Starter, yeah, here's a gun. Do have his young gun rookie card in a 10. Chris Osgood. Jamie Pusher, not sure who that is. And Stu Grimson. Okay. Wow, I was not expecting that. So I think it's a 1 in 10 box. I only bought 5 of them. I think they're going for like $100 now as well, which is ridiculous. Alright, Darren Helm. And we have Marcel Dione. Sam Gagner, not sure. Adam Graves. Back to greatness. Igor Larinov. And Terry Sorchuk. Goalie. Okay. Very happy with that. 2 autos out of, well, 5 boxes. Cannot complain. If you like this content and you want to see more, subscribe, like, leave me a comment. And until next time, you'll see me in the next one. Peace!
From Pulls Down Under for you. Hope you had a good time too. If you would be so kind to do, like and subscribe, see you soon. Thanks for watching.